Hey everybody, it is Quicken and welcome back to Tattoo Talk Tuesday. So if it's your first time joining us, you might be a little bit of a new subscriber. Welcome. If it's your first time joining us, Tattoo Talk Tuesday is our weekly interactive talk show where I take viewer submitted questions and try to lend my experience to you guys as a tattoo collector. So this week I am actually going to be, I guess, doing a little bit of a DIY project. I get a lot of requests from you guys to talk about temporary tattoos. I think there's a lot of temporary tattoos like that you can get online or like, I don't know, I guess buy at certain stores, and I think temporary tattoos kind of like blew up a little bit, especially with like festival culture and stuff like that going on right now. You can get like a lot of gold temporary tattoos and things like that, and then other companies will do like more fashion or art inspired temporary tattoos, so you can buy these tattoos and wear them. I know you can buy like, does Beyonce have tattoos or did she just design temporary tattoos? Well, there's some Beyonce stuff going on. I think you can do like Demi Lovato's tattoos. Selena Gomez has like a tattoo pack. Anyway, I get a lot of requests from you guys to test out these tattoos, and I was going to do a video where I like, I don't know, have like a neck tattoo or like a hand tattoo or something. I was like, that could be cool. And then I was like, do you really think that's cool? So this video is not sponsored. I went ahead and bought a pack of tattoos from Tattly. They are one of the bigger online temporary tattoo places, so I thought I would grab some tattoos from them just in time for them to do a collab with Jessi Preston. So Jessi Preston, she's one of my favorite tattoo artists. I've been tattooed by her a handful of times, and she actually did a collab with Tattly. So this is my P.O. Box address, so that's okay. So I went ahead and ordered this. It's not sponsored. I just wanted to go ahead and do it. And like I said, like my whole idea was like, oh, I'm gonna have a hand tattoo for a week. After ordering these, this with shipping came to about $20. I'm going to unbox it for you guys, but after that, you know, I really like Jessi. Her tattoos are awesome. And I noticed on the Tattly blog, they actually posted a few days ago this like DIY for Mother's Day where you could put these temporary tattoos on a planter. That's crazy. I didn't know that. I don't know if that's universal or just Tattly's products, but it's probably universal. So if you want to do this DIY with me, today I'm going to be testing out and unboxing Tattly Temporary Tattoos, the series by Jessi Preston, and I'm going to be making a tattooed planter. Now, if you think this is corny or whatever, like, I think it's gonna be cool. Like, there was definitely like this big insurgence of like tattooed shit out there, and you know, spent 20 buckaroos on some fake tattoos, so it'd be pretty cool if I can put them on a planter and keep them longer than 3 days, because I guess the longevity of these are 3 days. So if this doesn't work, then I won't post a video today. So let's see. So I'm going to start by just opening this up. Whoa, okay, so I guess Tattly knew who I was. This says, "We love your vlogs." I did not warn them or anything that I was buying this. I bought it as a civilian, so that's pretty cool. Inside of the Tattly package comes this, and this is a white envelope here. I'm just gonna open that up. They glitter bombed it for me, which is chill. It looks like it comes with one free little tattoo. That's cool. And this is my return information if I need to do that. We love your vlogs. That's really cute. In here is all of the Jessi Preston collaboration tattoos. So on here it says, like a real tattoo, but fake. Temporary tattoos are designed by professional artists and last 2 to 4 days. Tattly is safe, non-toxic, printed with vegetable-based ink. Tattly has a track record of making people smile, and kids and grown-ups alike. The American set includes 8 temporary tattoos, 1 of each. So you can see there is a traditional butterfly, panther, a swallow, and a knife going through the heart, cobra, horseshoe, mermaid, and dragon. This dragon is pretty sick. Tattly actually did a giveaway with Jessi Preston, and my thirsty ass commented on the giveaway, but you know. So opening that up for 25 minutes. The contents of this, I'm just going to be putting this aside. Here's our butterfly, our swallow, everything like that. Each one has their own instructions on the back there. This dragon is sick. Like when I wanted to order it, I was like, yeah, that bad boy's gonna go right on my hand. Oh, and here's the Tattly sponge. Good thing, because the sponge I was gonna show you guys is criminal. So why does this feel like there's still something in it? I guess if you had to return it. So now that I have these and the sponge, I'm just gonna get familiar with the directions. Remove clear top sheet and apply face down to clean, dry skin that is free of makeup. Hold wet cloth against tattoo for 30 seconds. Don't hurry. Then peel off the backing. Gently rinse image with water for best effect. Need something to do in 30 seconds while you wait? Try stretching or humming your favorite song or texting your mom. That's really sweet. So here's everything. On their blog right now, they have like the normal terracotta planters. I don't have any of those, so I went to Ollie's and I got myself a nice planter for $2.99, and then I went to Home Depot and I got myself a snake plant. I'm going to get started with my little thing, my planter, my Jessi Preston Tattoos planter. So I think the best course of action is to just go for it. I'm going to be starting, I got dirt on the table. I'm going to be starting with the biggest one first, and just like putting him on there and putting this panther down. So I'm going to be laying down this panther just like this. And this is like the little Tattly sponge. It feels like a cookie. That's pretty crazy. It's just like... here's the sponge, it just grew. And we're gonna put the panther right on here. I hope this turns out cool. I'm scared to peel it off. Okay, here we go. Cool. He's on there. I'm just like gently patting it in. You can like kind of see where there's little bubbles where you can like pat it in. So I think I should go directly across and do the next biggest one, which I feel like is, I'm gonna say it's this mermaid. So I'm gonna put this bad mama on here. Yes! I messed up her tail a little bit, but looks kind of cool and grimy and authentic. I can't believe this is working. So next we have the cobra. I feel like you should initially rub this in. I don't know why my mermaid got funked up. Hell yeah! That's the best one yet. My custom Jessi Preston bow. Wait a second, bitch. The cobra can fit. Okay. I feel like it's definitely like a learning curve. Like each one I do is the best one I've done. Poor Panther and Mermaid. So it's kind of coming along. All right, this is hard. Last couple. Hope this one works because I accidentally got it wet. He's such a funny little swallow. He looks just like Ethan. Woo! So this is the finished result. I guess I had no idea that you could put temporary tattoos on like whatever you want. I'm sure, I bet DIY community knows that, has been there, done that, but I didn't know that. Now I'm a temporary tattoo artist. So I know that there are like some sparse spots on this. I actually grabbed a marker because I was like, oh, just do like dot and star filler on here. It'll be real tatted up. But Jessi actually has a couple other tattoo packs on Tattly. So I'm gonna leave it as is. I was like all set to do it. Let me know if you think I should. That could be cool. Just like for here and like here and here. I thought maybe like some stars and dots. I might still do that. I might, you know, see, because Jessi has like an avocado that could fit right there. Or Tattly might have like stars and dot filler on there. These aren't the only tattoos that Jessi has on there, but yeah, like something right here would probably be cool. But yeah, I'm really into it. I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. I was really impressed by the sponge. Cool. I love it. Here it is. So snake plants are pretty cool. Good for me because I have cats. If the cat does ingest this, they'll just get a stomachache and likely throw up. But I kept my snake plant downstairs with my cats for like 24 hours and they didn't go after it, so I guess they're just not interested. But how cool. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Did you know? Did you know about it? I think it's pretty awesome. I love it. So thanks again, Tattly, for the little post-it. I thought that was cool. And the inspiration for a little tattooed planter. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching every week. Introduce yourself in the comments if you are a new subscriber. It's a pretty chill community, I feel. And until next week, you can always leave your submissions down below. And feel free. You can follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of photos on there, and on Twitter as well. They're both quite cool, kid. And if this is your first time to the channel, definitely subscribe. I have a tattoo related playlist that is over 100 videos of information for you guys, from a tattoo collector to you. I love you guys so much, and until next week, bye.